guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Maya
and I am Amia,
and we are the XOPTWINS. Okay, y'all, so today we're going to be
doing something crazy. Okay,
so
well, it's not crazy to me, it's crazy to Maya, but y'all, I done convinced her to give me a Brazilian wax. Y'all, this is my first. You guys, I have never ever been waxed ever in life. I have never had my eyebrows waxed, my arms waxed, my face waxed, my hoo-ha waxed, my vagina waxed.
So we just like really just used to like razors and like Nair and like, you know, things like that.
Yeah.
And I've never even had my eyebrows threaded before, like, girl. But I tell y'all, I hope this goes by super duper quick. Because baby, I'm not
y'all,
like
she's scared and
she's
not. And y'all, she's scared and she told me that she only wants me to wax her arms.
Yeah. So I told Mia she's only gonna have to wax my armpit. So you guys, I grew out my armpit hair a little bit for this video.
Yeah, me too.
So
I was like,
oh my god, I have hair on the arms because I grew out for the video.
But I've been purposely trying not to shave my underarms for this video. So I said, you know.
I don't know, y'all. I'm really scared. Mia wants me to shave her hoo-ha.
I have 2 lavender and 1 tea tree, okay?
Peppermint, lemon, and eucalyptus, and these are the hard wax beans, y'all. The beans.
First time trying hard wax, first time trying any type of wax, y'all. I've never been waxed or anything. And y'all, you guys know, like, you can burn yourself with Nair and stuff like that down there, okay? I think I have burnt myself down there with Nair before.
Here it says no strips required, so I guess you don't need any strip. You don't need any strip. I guess you just pull it off as is.
Yeah, in this pamphlet, they give you a set amount of instructions, okay? Tell you how to wax your bikini area, your underarms, your chin, your eyebrows, girl. It says sit on the floor or bed with a towel under as protection.
This is what the kit looks like. This is what your kit would look like. Or you could purchase the one with the warmer. But you guys, that one is in peppermint. You guys, it came with a lot of hard wax beans. That is the tea tree one. I really want to try that one. But you guys, we used the lavender one because we know that lavender is very, very calming. So we really wanted to use that one. But you guys, this wax kit came with everything that you need. It came with the spatulas. It came with the thicker, long spatulas and the thinner, small spatulas. You guys, I think we were supposed to use the thicker, long ones. But y'all, we're very have no experience. It does come with the pre-wax spray and the after-wax spray, you guys. With the pre-wax, you will have to go over the area a few times, but if you use the powder, you will only have to go over it a couple of times.
Go ahead and start melting this wax, and we're gonna see y'all when the wax is melted. And Mia is about to do my wrist. This is how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see.
Y'all can't. So I'm testing it. I'm testing it out on her right now.
Hold on.
Wait, I'm not about to pull it yet. So I'm supposed to pull it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't even have no hair in there. Ain't even pulling not one hair.
See, it's some hair in here.
No, it's not. I'm gonna spray pre-wax, you guys.
You want me to spray it on you?
Oh, got it. The opposite direction of the hair. Okay, Maya, you're not supposed to put it over the whole thing and say one part sections, Maya. You can't put it over the whole thing. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Whew. Whew. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm glad I got that out the way. This is the after wax spray, so I'm gonna just spray some. Y'all, I just really wanted to try that to see how that was gonna be. So y'all, we're about to wax both of my underarms now, and then we're gonna wax my hoo-ha, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm just in shock, y'all. Honestly, I thought it was gonna hurt way worse. So I guess I can feel like this. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So pass me the powder. Y'all, she's such a weirdo, I swear. All right, so y'all, I'm gonna spray some of this pre-wax.
Y'all. Okay, we gonna test this thing on her skin first.
Oh, wait, hold up now.
You supposed to put some on your hand. You just dumping that stuff down there. You're not supposed to do it like that. Y'all, I'm really just terrified. Like what? I'm really just scared.
For what? Why are you scared, Maya? Maya, stop being weird. Like
It's not weird. You got powder flying everywhere.
I know. It's weird. I look like a powdered donut. Like
Okay.
I look like a powdered donut, y'all. So you
Okay, y'all.
Like this.
Okay, here I go. Pray. Please pray for me.
Y'all.
Baby, I need you to stop getting close to me now.
Y'all, this girl is such a weirdo. Like, I'm
Stop.
so
Back
embarrassed.
up now.
Back up. Hold on, shawty. Hold on.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Put it on there with pressure. Okay, yeah, like that. Put it on there hard. Okay. That's it. Get on it. You can't bring it over there. You bring it over too far.
Okay. Whew. And I gotta pull this direction, right?
Yep. Press it down hard, Maya.
Okay, lean back and leave me alone. I'm trying to see. You had to open this up some.
Okay, y'all, hold up. Y'all, she asked me to bust it wide now.
Stop. Okay, you ready?
Okay, hold up now. Hold on. No, I'm not ready yet, girl. What are you doing? Are you crazy?
I'm not gonna pull yet.
Okay. Hold on, wait. Let me hold your hand. Let me hold your hand. So you're gonna tell me if I squeeze your hand hard or not. Okay.
Okay, y'all. Y'all see she's trying to hold my hand now.
All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Okay. That wasn't that bad. It hurt.
So
but
it
wasn't
got
that
some
bad.
hair, y'all. Let's see.
Yeah. Come on.
Whew, y'all. She's talking about some come
Right
on,
here.
but she about to be
You gotta
crying.
put it on. You gotta put pressure on it.
Okay.
Start from here. Don't go down too far. All right. That's it. Y'all.
Y'all, I'm not experienced. I'm not a professional. Okay. I'm not a professional. Okay. I'm so sorry if I'm doing this to you wrong, sister, but I'm not a professional. Yeah, this is my first time doing this. I've never.
All right, y'all. Let me push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Okay, y'all. So I feel like we'll have to go over the area like twice. Okay.
Are you ready?
Hold up now. Hold on.
You ready?
I have to brace myself for this.
Look at this, girl. It got that hair.
I know, y'all. So
Okay.
y'all, it was about
Yeah,
time for
come
me
on,
to have
because the
a
wax is getting
shave
hard.
or wax anyways.
We
Okay.
don't have time for you to be bracing nothing. 1, 2. Ready?
Wait, I have to hold your hand.
See, y'all.
5, 6,
7, 8.
I want to break this girl hand so bad because she's not pulling it off. Alright, y'all. So
this-
she only wants to do the top. So y'all, this is gonna be her last
I need you to
piece.
kind of like bend back.
Do it just right there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. So y'all, we're about to finish this, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wax Maya. We done.
You good? I'm good. We good. Wow. I got this off of you.
Alright, y'all. So we back. Okay,
Okay.
y'all. And y'all, I know my lace needs to be redone. Okay. Listen, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We good. We good over here. Okay. Ready?
Well, I'm about to spray some pre-wax spray.
Oh wait, y'all.
You
I
didn't
didn't
spray no
I didn't
after
spray the after wax, but let me spray some after wax. We y'all.
Okay, so y'all we gotta let this dry. Hair like
She
that.
doesn't really have any hair under her arms, so she said you're supposed to just rub it underneath. Alright, so y'all, we're gonna go into strips.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ow!
Y'all, so I guess she gonna hold my hand, y'all. She just gonna squeeze it. Just squeeze it. I guess Maya doesn't have a tolerance for pain. I don't know. I don't know. I guess we have different pain tolerances, y'all. I guess we're twins, but we're not the same. So, but y'all, we did get some hair. This is some hair that we got from her. Oh my gosh, can you focus? You guys, so this is some of the hair that we got.
Y'all see what this look like?
I gave her the thing.
Look like she ain't know what she was doing.
Honestly, I like it. Honestly, y'all, I like it. And I think that I'm going to be waxing after tomorrow because it's kind of late. But I think I'm going to be waxing tomorrow. Like, I want to wax up my arms. But I like it, y'all. It wasn't that... It didn't hurt that bad for me. I think maybe I just have a higher tolerance for pain. I love it, y'all. Like, I love the wax. I can't even lie. Like, yeah, it hurt because this is like when, like, you know, when you pluck your hairs, like when you pluck hairs, like you can feel it when it comes out, but after it's plucked, you're like, good.
It would have been so helpful. We would have had like a warmer or something. So
and
next time you decide you should do one by yourself. You should give myself a wax.
I am, y'all. I am. And I just feel like I'm very excited that I did that, y'all. I don't even understand what I was scared for. Like, this is a DIY at-home wax kit, you guys. And it is from Tree's Wellness.
Yeah, and it says wax like a pro, y'all. I wish I had a pro waxing me, but that wasn't the case. I feel like I had a criminal waxing.
I'm not a pro. Listen, all I did was follow the instructions.
I don't even think she followed the instructions, y'all.
I did. I followed the instructions. This was the instructions. It says, test the piece on your arm. I tested the piece on the arm. And, yeah.
And then the other arm says you may have to apply the wax several times. The hair goes in different directions.
Oh, that's probably why the underarm hair grows in different directions. All in all, I would rate this experience. I would rate this... Because Maya did it, I would rate it like maybe a 6. If I were to do it myself, I probably would give it like an 8 or a 9.
Yeah.
But gosh.
You want to hear my rating? Do you want to hear mine? So I would rate you in the negative. I can't get it. You can. I'm not going to be. You're not going to have a second chance to do it. And we get this all the time. You're never going to get a chance to do this ever again. You're never going to get the chance. I'm never going to give you that. So never ask me again. Okay, y'all.
Y'all guess what time it is? Like,
I'm terrified. Y'all, what time it is? And she got me doing this.
Y'all,
It's 2:49 in the morning. Okay? And she got me doing this.
I'm crying. Okay,
2:49 in the morning. And she has and she's begging me to wax my arm hair.
I'm crying. But you guys, that was this video. I want to wax myself. Like Maya, she just does too much. She takes too long and I can't.
And like this is mine and Mia's first time ever doing something like this. First time ever waxing each other. First time waxing anything and first time getting waxes. So I do feel like our inexperience probably caused, some pain.
And our inexperience.
Our inexperience caused like majority of the pain because I don't know. Well, I feel like if we were
I wasn't in that much pain.
Well, I was. And I encourage y'all go get this wax and have a friend. Matter of fact, get with a friend, y'all, okay? Get with a friend. Get this wax. Because I want y'all to see, tell me am I tripping or not, okay? Because I don't know.
She's tripping.
Tell me if I'm being a wimp or not. I don't know. But y'all, get a friend. Get this wax. Heat it up. And y'all try this wax up under y'all armpits or anywhere on your body. And y'all let me know how it feels. Because...
Y'all, some people are different. Some people have a low pain tolerance. Some people have a high pain tolerance.
Yeah.
I have a high pain tolerance.
Yeah.
And Maya's is low.
Yeah.
I would 10 out of 10 waxing it.
Really?
Yeah. Definitely.
Y'all, I really want y'all to...
I really wish she could have waxed my butt. But she don't want to. You want to?
You know I'm not doing that.
Okay, anyways. Anyways, you guys. So click the link in the description box. If you guys do it.
Okay, y'all. Click the link in the description box, y'all. And
if you guys do want to purchase this for yourself, y'all, these honestly they don't hurt like that. Like it was like you can feel the hair ripping off your body, but after it's good. Well, for me. So yeah, if you guys do want to get these, then click the link in the description box. You guys will get a coupon code. It will already be applied to your order once you click the link. So yeah, I really want y'all to try these wax beans and see, cause just try these wax beans and have your friend pull the wax off you, or have your mom or your sister, or if you're a twin, have your brother, anybody pull it off you, y'all, because I'm just, and y'all do the same thing, pull it off them too, because y'all, they gonna be trying to get a kick out of it. I feel like Mia really got a kick out of this video. Share this video, y'all. Yeah, share this video, and just thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.